Duncan, who's a good boy? Did we have a good ride? Yep, go mark your spots. Brooklyn wins! Happy dance! Happy dance! Hey, should we go camping? Camping? Who's your good boy? Hey, let's go camping. Duncan, who's a good boy? Did we have a good ride? Yep, go mark your spots. Okay.
He's like, I'm moving you guys.
Good boy.
Food, oh, food.
Welcome to the campsite.
Don't go. No, don't go. No, don't go. Oh. It's like, oh!
Come on, Duncan. Good boy. Good boy.
He's like,
Fourth time. Yep, we got a trash can back here now. We got a fire pit. We got a hammock. We got, oh, there's a nice chair back here now, too. Some water for the fire pit. This is where we set up our tent last time, our sleeping tent. It is a little bit sloped, but not too bad. It'd be a nice spot. If you want to put your dome tent here, Caleb, you can. This is a nice spot. Duncan, let's go see the water.
Are you happy to
Right down here is the path. Okay, Brooklyn, come here. You can hold my hand while we go down the path.
Okay.
Duncan.
Come on, Duncan. It's just grass. You're okay. Wow. There's the lake. We got a paddle boat. We got a couple of kayaks and canoes. We got a fishing boat to take out. You're okay, Brooklyn. We'll get it out in just a second, honey. We're on the sand. It's gonna happen. Well, this is where we're gonna swim, okay?
Okay. Well, it's pretty big.
Yeah.
Dunker, come here.
It's a nice little beach.
Oh, it's a bird.
Dunker, don't go too far, buddy.
One million times.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm the Bargain Camper, and we're going camping. This is my son Caleb and my daughter Brooklyn. We're gonna go ahead and get started and set everything up. We got my dog Duncan over here taking about this 12th pee since we walked up. And yeah, we're gonna get set up. So stick around, we're gonna have a great time. Dunker, what are you doing, buddy? Laying down?
In the shade.
Okay. Here you go.
That's a big one.
Oh, come here, Dunker. Dunker, come here. Come here, buddy.
They'll be around. Mine's super friendly.
Okay. He's not around other dogs too much, so.
She won't do much to mine, I think.
Hi, Dunker.
I cannot keep
Dunker.
her inside anymore.
Come here, buddy.
She goes to my cat door and follows me out. Right? So it's just terrible to try and keep her inside.
She's good. She's a sweetheart.
You want to use the boat probably? Or
You want to do that today or tomorrow?
I'll leave it for you guys.
Okay. Yeah, we'll use it at least once or twice here, so.
You want the wood back here? Or
Yeah, we'll use it probably at this fire pit, I think. Sounds good. All right. We'll give him just a minute and then we'll let Duncan go.
not? You want eggs? I have to give them away daily.
Yeah, we'll take some eggs for sure. We love farm fresh eggs.
Good. I appreciate it.
Dunker, you be good, okay?
They go in the mailbox to the postman.
Oh, really?
He likes
Dunker, be good.
I just can't keep up with them.
Awesome.
There's way too many.
Dunker.
I'll leave you with, I don't know,
Hi.
you might want to use it
Be good.
if it goes low, but it's,
Hey.
hey, Roxy, be good. But it's fully charged now.
Okay, sounds good.
But I'll leave this with you, just in case.
Cool.
Now, I think that's about, yeah, I'll probably, this is site one and you both. But I'll leave this one here and take that one down.
Okay, sounds good.
You're
You're being pretty good. Good dog.
That's perfect. What we want. All right, cool.
All right. Good boy, Dunker. Okay, we can keep unloading. Why don't we just bring these ones over by the fire because we're going to set them up on a table. We can just set them by this chair for now. Thanks, Jim. Oh. Set this over here. We're going to put shade up really fast, Brooklyn, okay? We'll have shade for you to sit in very soon.
What's this?
For cooking. Here, can you take that? That's okay. All right, Dunker, you want some water? Oh. Here you go, Dunker. Here.
Dunker, water.
Here you go, boy. We got food for him.
You don't want water?
No, not yet. That's fine. Whoops. He'll eat in a little bit, or drink in a little bit.
Oh.
Okay. Let's leave those for now. Leave the fan for now too. Just set it on top of the cooler for now. If he starts to wander, we'll put him on it. Okay.
Once we finish getting everything, can I vacuum it?
Don't feed him too soon. You grab the bag and pull. All right, so we're gonna set up our tent. This was supposed to be mine and Brooklyn's tent for the night, and we brought Caleb's tent because he's got his own little tent and he was gonna have that for himself, which is right over there. And I stupidly forgot the poles for his tent. So that means Caleb and Brooklyn are gonna cram into this 2-person tent, and I'm gonna be sleeping in the vestibule. So we're gonna make the best of it, so let's get this tent set up. This is brand new. I've never tried this one, so we're gonna see how it sets up, how easy it is, and hopefully everything goes smoothly. All right, guys, welcome to camp. We're out on a private lake here in Westbrook, Minnesota. Camping on a private property. This is a hip camp. This is my absolute favorite spot so far. We have an enormous site. Car's right behind the tree over there, so nice and easy to set everything up. We got the kitchen over here. Of course, we got the fire pit. One of the best things about this place, unlimited wood for $5 a day. There's the fire pit. We just had some hot dogs. A little table next to the fire pit. We got a floaty there, some sunscreen and towels because we're about to hit the lake. Go do a little bit of swimming. Hand washing station. That battery is for a trolling motor for a fishing boat out there. And we've got a little pile of gear we haven't dealt with quite yet. Otherwise, we are mostly set up. But we're ready to go and relax and enjoy the lake. So here we've got my Massimo Motorsports portable fridge. Picked this up off Facebook for $75. And this thing works fantastic. Got all of our food and stuff in there. And that's powered by my EBL EB1000 power station. It's not drawing anything right now, but that draws about 40 watts while it's running. And of course it cycles on and off, so it doesn't use a ton of power. I can run that for a couple days off of that. Here we've got our Amazon kitchen table setup. Unfortunately, they discontinued that, so don't ask for a link because I unfortunately can't give you one. They do have some similar ones though, so if you just do a quick search, look up Red Camp is the brand name, and folding kitchen table. I'm sure you'll find something decent. But anyway, we got our Ozark Trail 2-burner stove here. And this unit did come with a built-in sink as well, but we don't have water hookups here, so we're not really going to fuss with that too much. And we got our Cranberita Bud Light. This is a Grizzly cooler. This has just got our beverages in it. We've got water, and we've got some Dr. Pepper. Dunker, how you doing, buddy? This is Duncan. He's been doing a great job so far. He's not wandering off. He's staying by us. He's hanging out in the shade. And of course, his food and water's over here. But yeah, let's grab the towels and stuff and head over to the sleeping area. Because we have such a massive campsite, we've got another area for sleeping. Come on, Dunker. Good boy. Come on. We're going to take a little walk all the way over here. There's the lake again. We actually have, it's like 2 campsites in one. There's another fire pit over here. A couple of chairs, a table. Hi, kids. Like I said, we're about to hit the lake here. And we've got a hammock. Got our tote full of storage. And now the funny part. I mentioned this a second ago, but we forgot to bring the poles for Caleb's tent. He was going to be right over there in his own. Just a little Ozark Trail dome tent. And I forgot to bring the poles for it. So, we're going to cram into this little Ozark Trail 2-person tent with oversized vestibule. Here we got my sleeping bag and sleeping pad, and I'm just going right on the ground. And here we got the kids' room in this little inner tent. And this is essentially a giant rain fly that covers the whole tent. So it's a full rain fly basically. But it's a oversized vestibule meant for like a bike or something. But as you can see, it's pretty versatile. Works for this too. So anyway, that's a little tour of our setup. Like I said, we're about to go down and hit the water. So we'll catch you in a bit. Swimming time.
Because I floated.
Caleb's out on his floaty. Brooklyn's just starting to explore a little bit. And Dunker's just chilling over here. Hi, kids. Duncan. Where's your good boy? He's your good boy. Yes, yes, yes. We've got a little Aldi's fire starter here. A couple pieces of cardboard as well, just for good measure. We'll go ahead and start piling on. There we go. All right, that should get us going. Mickey, what are you doing? Get out of my chair.
A fly was on my leg, and then it just flew into this while I was on, because I was about to get it.
That thing Kayla's holding, that electric fly swatter, one of the best things we brought on this trip, let me tell you. All right, we're getting ready to cook on the fire. We got some country style pork ribs here, seasoned up, some baby red mashed potatoes. We got the fire cooking down the coals, and we're getting ready to put these things on. We'll see you at dinner time. Would you look at them things? Looking delicious. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Seeing if it's done.
Getting close. Probably about 3 or 4 more minutes.
Okay.
Dunker! Dunker! Oh, man, it's been a good day. So far, we got here, got everything set up. Took a while. Went swimming in the lake a little bit. We had hot dogs for lunch. We're about to have the ribs and some baby red mashed potatoes for dinner. Got the old Ozark Trail stove going here to boil some water. Well, we're just chilling. Not much to do right now besides wait for the food.
Brooklyn's pretending to be a robot.
Are you a robot?
Beep boop. Hey.
Yeah, we're just soaking it up and enjoying the campsite here.
Okay.
While dinner's finishing up here, I'm gonna go throw a little trash away. I just can't get over the size of this campsite, man. This is huge. See what Brooklyn's doing. What are you doing? You gonna lay down?
Hey, no.
Oh.
No, okay.
Yep. Alright, let's go get them ribs off the grill. Best part about this trip, the kids haven't complained or asked for their tablets or none of that once. We, of course, did not bring tablets with us. I know some of you will probably say, why do you bring a theater to go camping? We're outside all day. We're enjoying nature. We're swimming in the lake. We're cooking outside. At the end of the day, we want to sit by the fire and watch a movie outside. So we got the theater set up in here. Have a little projector. And yeah, well, let's get these ribs off the grill and time to dig in. Hey. Mashed potatoes. Hopefully I got the amount of water right, because I had to wing it. Didn't have any measuring cups, so we went by the amount of water in bottles. I bet I made this a little runny. Alright. Let's eat. So you want to swim some more? Okay. We can do that.
You can eat that part right there, right? Because it's like dark pink.
Yeah, that edge of it must have been in a cold spot on the grill or something.
That was like medium.
Because the rest of these seem like they're cooked like all the way through. Like perfectly.
Get down.
Yeah, even this thick one is, there's no pink in there at all. That is good. Brooklyn, are you sure you don't want something to eat? Do you want a little more cereal?
Pizza thing.
A pizza oven? We haven't used that much either.
Yeah.
That thing was kind of tough to use.
Yeah, because it like cooks it in like 2 minutes.
If you put charcoal in there, everything turns pitch black. The bottom of the pizza looks like you painted it. And the wood burns up so fast that it's like, once it gets hot, you've got about 30 seconds to get your pizza in there before it starts to cool down. Because that's the whole thing about those pizza ovens. They're supposed to cook at a high temperature, and it cooks it really fast. But, yeah, it's a little tricky.
We could be probably able to make a pizza out here with the grill.
No, that'd be too hard. You gotta have something to cook the top of it.
Geese. No, that's a cow.
I have heard of people cooking pizzas on a grill if they put it out like like ours with a lid and cook it in there. Supposedly grilled pizza's pretty good. And the water.
into it.
Almost did. All right. All done with dinner. Kiddos want to swim a little more, so we're going down to the water. Ooh, look at all them little flies. You should be okay now. The sun's going down soon.
Yeah. Wait. I hope it's still on.
I wonder how far this trail goes back there. I have to ask Jim about the trails. He said he has on the Hip Camp website or whatever. It said that there's some trails on the property.
So cold.
Does this boat even work?
Yeah. It's got a really weak motor on it though. That's what that battery he brought us is for. It hooks up to that motor and it's just like a little trolling motor. It'll only last like 10-15 minutes. You probably go across the lake and back like we did last time. And that's about all you get out of that. Otherwise there's paddles. When it's calm like this, you can easily paddle across the lake. We'll take that out tomorrow for a bit.
The water's so cold.
Yeah, it's gonna get...
around the same temperature, but instead from the top, it's like the same temperature when you put your hand all the way down.
Yeah, it takes the water a while to cool down. It's just that the sun is almost down now, so there's no heat from the sun beating down on you. Gotta love these times with the kids.
Have you eaten
Here we got our Vankio projector. Got our projector stand. We're gonna get this bad boy all set up. All right, you know what time it is. Wouldn't be camping without s'mores. Caleb, you want to do your own marshmallow? Is it sticking?
Yeah.
Try to keep it upright though so it doesn't fall off. That'll make your chocolate a lot more melty.
Yeah.
Daddy's gonna stay up late by the fire.
what?
Are you gonna stay up late?
Yeah. Now it's melted.
Yummy.
All right.
So yummy.
It is hot, okay? Maybe hold it for a minute before you take a bite.
Cooking on
I'll clean you up afterwards. How's your hack?
Good.
Chocolate more melty? Cool. Dunker, are you hoping we drop something? Yeah. Do you want a snack too? Give you a little kibble. You hungry, Dunker?
Food?
Just a little snack. Here you go, Dunker. Go eat.
I got smoke in my nose.
Go eat. Go get the food. Do you need water? Is it good? How's your food, Dunker? Good boy. Okay.
It turned off. Oh, it's just remote. See the tent?
Yep. Kiddo number 1 is tired. We're gonna go to the tent. I'll show you where their lantern is too, okay?
Okay.
You can turn it on so you have some light if you want. Getting dark now. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna turn a lantern on for you. All right, guys, the fun and adventure is officially over for the day. We are getting tired. It's about 11 o'clock. The kids are in bed in the inner tent over there. And I'm going to be sleeping out in the vestibule. All right, we'll see you in the morning, guys. Good morning. It's beautiful out here today. I just woke up a little bit ago. Got Duncan outside here, let him go to the bathroom, gave him some food. And I'm just relaxing for a bit while the kids are still asleep in the tent over there. So, them cows are going crazy across the lake over there. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but yeah, we're just chilling. Not a whole lot going on until the kids get up. Otherwise, we're gonna do maybe a little bit of hiking today. I was told there's some hiking on the property here. We're gonna go out on the boat for a little bit. We're gonna do some more swimming. We're gonna cook some great meals, have a good time, and probably start pre-packing a little bit tonight before we go to bed. And then when we get up tomorrow, by around 10 or 11, we got to start packing up and get out of here. So, yeah, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Good morning, Dunker. You want some food? Here you go, buddy. Go eat the food. Go eat. Go eat. What do you want? Go get your food. Forgive me for sweating. It's getting a little hot now. The kids are up. I'm up. And we're going to make some breakfast.
I just saw my first mosquito.
This thing going. Crack a couple of these farm fresh eggs Jim gave us. Two? 3? Okay. That's all we're having right now is eggs and fruit, so. Probably just a little bit, that's all we need.
There was a bug coming from my eye.
A bug coming for your eye? Finishing up some breakfast. Brooklyn had cereal, Caleb had farm fresh eggs. And we're gonna go for a little drive here into town pretty quick. Grab a couple things, come back and probably maybe swim or go out on the boat. So stick around. Okay, let's head down to the water.
Yay! Wait for it.
You got some sand toys?
Yes. Go to the bushes. Go to the bushes. Go to the bushes. Go to the bushes. Go to the lake. Go to the lake. Go.
Oops.
Okay. This is the hole. When I get up and
Here.
go down.
Let me go in front of you and then you just hold on to me, okay? Just go slow. One step at a time.
Little step.
All right. Time for some more lake time.
Time for some more.
Got my water guns.
Pew pew. You gonna play in the sand, Brooklyn? All right, I might experiment with that kayak a little bit.
I found a rock.
Probably 5 or 6 out of it.
Hey, my rock. This thing, I like.
It's really muddy out here. Your feet sink like a foot into the ground. I could almost get stuck. Yeah. It's not very deep, but you sink in the mud.
Hello.
Hello. What are you doing?
Good. I'm doing nothing.
I thought you were gonna lay down. You done already?
Yes.
I'm just relaxing, laying on the sleeping pad here. Caleb's in the hammock swinging around. This is the life.
But I'm always coming home to you. This for my son and my daughter. I swear I love being your father. I honestly need you like water. Without you, I'm sinking and reaching the bottom. I'm sick with depression. One day I'ma teach him about it. For now, I'ma focus on being the best that I can. And I hope they can see that I got him. I hope they care less about things that I got him and more about things that I taught him. I'm teaching them love and respect. I hope they find what they want in this life and they chase it instead of just chasing a check. Life can be beautiful, that's indisputable. Rise up and take it, don't live with regrets. You give me purpose in life and I'll purchase a knife. If they hurt you, I'm here to protect. And I just need your love right now. And I just need your love.
All right, we had a little more lake time. Brooklyn went to go lay down in the tent for a bit. Caleb's at the outhouse, and I'm just relaxing here in the canopy tent with Duncan. We're just chilling in the shade. It's been a great trip so far. Kids haven't complained about anything besides a couple of bug bites, really. Yeah, this has been a great trip. It's been a great experience for all of us, and I can't wait to get out and do it again. So, I actually have some pretty exciting news. I've been working on this channel for a little while now. Things are starting to grow a little bit, and I realized that my first, 10, 12, 15, 13, 14, whatever videos were not edited very well, not put together very well at all, and just not that entertaining, really. So I've been working hard at making better videos, just getting better quality content for you guys, making it more enjoyable to watch. But anyway, the thing I want to tell you is I actually landed my first collaboration deal the other day, and I've got a new product. It should be at the house for me waiting when I get home from this trip. Very excited to get that out, test it out, and do a review. And I was actually hoping it would arrive before we went on this trip so I could take it out and field test it and give you a better review. Unfortunately, it didn't come until after we left. So I'll be doing a full camping experience in that in the backyard, and we'll give it a rain test and all that stuff. So I'm not going to tell you exactly the company just yet, but you will see very soon, so stick around. Got the EBL EB1000 power station here, rocking it. We've been running the fridge now for, a little over a day, probably about 30 hours or so total. And we ran a projector off of this for an hour and a half or so last night. We've charged my phone, we've charged a couple other various things off of it. And we're still sitting at 68%, so. Fridge has been rocking it as well, keeping everything nice and cold. No concerns about things spoiling. I absolutely love having the portable fridge and power station. Game changer for camping. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, you may have already seen this fan before in a product review, but I can't say enough good things about these Frizz Cool fans off Amazon. They've got a pretty large battery capacity. We run them for several days on our trips, and we've never had to charge them on a 2 or 3 day trip. So, great little fans when it's 85, 90 degrees out here. A little bit of breeze blowing on you makes a big difference. So. Only downsides I would say is that it takes forever to charge, like 12 hours plus to charge. And one of my two, I have two of these fans, another one over there, and the one over on the other table there makes noise when you're running. It's a little annoying, and it's not really great if you're trying to use it when you're going to sleep. So, but this one has no problem at all. But yeah, definitely if you're looking for a good camping fan, definitely check out those Frizz Cool fans on Amazon.
Look, I made a face.
Round 2 on the s'mores.
I made a face.
Round 2. Want the small and small. That was my turn. Want the small and small.
Sorry, I stole it to make her s'more.
Stole it to make my small. Yay, small. Small. Oh, small.
Here.
I don't want it bond.
It's only got a little bit.
Oh.
Dang it.
I have tried it. It's not.
Woo. The wind is picking up again.
The marshmallow. Marshmallow, come down. Come down.
Stay, marshmallow, do not fall. I need to get.
Game time. Brooklyn can go first. Oh.
Wait, I'm drinking water. 2, 1.
A 6 already?
1, 2.
No, he just gets to go out. Then you roll again.
Okay. Okay, go again. Okay.
Another 6.
Again? Oh, where do I go?
Let's go that way.
3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I just need one more and then stop.
Yeah. Caleb's turn. Oh no, you get to go again. You got 2 6s.
2 6s. I hope I get a
5.
1. 5. 1,
2.
2,
5.
5.
Brooklyn's turn.
My turn. 3, 2, 1.
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
6 again? What?
I'm getting so many 6s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, you made it to the star.
Another turn.
4.
1, 2,
Yep.
3, 4.
Ah, he's almost home already. Caleb's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Now you need a 1 or a 2 and you win.
1, 2, 3. Now I just need a 3.
Oh, 5 or less. That's what I need. Brooklyn wins! Happy dance! Happy dance! Cows are going crazy over there across the lake. We're doing a little pre-packing, getting ready because it might rain tomorrow morning, so we're getting everything we can out of the way. And then we're going to relax before bedtime.
That has a light.
Alright guys, we going camping. It's time to fit all of this. Up to the canopy. This bag. There we go, we got the fit loaded down. We got Brian's bed, we got my bed. We got the King Camp couch, projector set up. All right, guys, that's about it. We got everything that we could packed up, and we're in the tent for the night, about to head to bed. So we'll see you in the morning before we roll out, and otherwise that's about it. All right, guys, the campsite is all cleaned up. I wanted to show the packing process this morning a little bit. Unfortunately, we had a lot of rain to deal with, and we took a trip into town, got some breakfast, came back, and had to put everything away wet. So unfortunately, I will have to set everything up at home to dry, but it is what it is. We had a great trip otherwise, and yeah, everything has been picked up. Leave no trace. Do you know what that means, kids? What do you think leave no trace means? Like leave no messes, leave nothing behind. Nobody should be able to tell that we were here. That's a #1 rule of camping. All right, guys, we're gonna hit the road. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, we are home. We made it back safely. We did get rained on this morning, so I've got some work ahead of me with getting everything set back up to dry out. But we had a fun, successful trip, and I couldn't really ask for much more. So I want to thank you all for coming along for the adventure. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time on The Bargain Camper.